Hmm. Trigonometry till chapter 3, miscellaneous exercise 3, page 58, question number 17. We have to prove this is equal to 13. Now there are three expressions here. Sin x minus cos x raised to 4, sin x plus cos x bracket square, and sin x raised to 6 plus cos x raised to 6. We will tackle these three expressions one by one. And then I'll start with LHS. So I'll say here, consider the first expression. What is the first expression? Sin x minus cos x raised to 4. Basically, this is equal to sin x minus cos x bracket square का square. Yes or no? Okay? अंदर का square कर लेते हैं. अब क्या बनेगा बताओ? Sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Agree? उसका square. But I know that
1
this is equal to 1.
and this is sin 2 sin
अब फिलहाल तो हम उसको डबल एंगल में नहीं रखेंगे, एज इट इज रखेंगे. अब जो बचेगा उसका स्क्वायर कर लो. तो 1 का स्क्वायर 1 माइनस 2ab 2 to the 4 sin x cos x. करेक्ट? हेलो हेलो.
yes
ओके. प्लस इसका स्क्वायर 4 sin square x cos square x. I'll call this as equation 1.
okay
Is this okay? Let me go for the second expression now. Second expression क्या बनेगा? Sin x plus cos x bracket square. This is quite easy. Tell me फटाफट.
sin
1
square x plus
plus-
cos square x
अच्छा ठीक है. Sin square x plus cos square x
plus 2 sin
plus 2 sin x cos x.
1
And that is equal to 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. I'll call this as equation 2.
yes
Now I'll call for the third expression. Now before I go for the third expression, you know what? What is a plus b bracket cube is equal to? बोलो. A cube.
a cube
Plus-
3a square b
Okay, 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. I hope you know this.
yes
Can I rearrange these two? Can I say it is also equal to a cube plus b cube plus यहाँ से मैं 3ab कॉमन लूँगा. 3ab bracket a plus b. Can I say so?
yes
Now in the same way, so this is a plus b bracket cube. I hope you understand that.
yes
Now here I will keep this on one side और ये बाकी मैं दूसरी तरफ अगर भेज देता हूँ तो क्या बन जाएगा? This will give me a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab
plus
into a plus b. I hope you get that. Okay, please check here. Here I'll go for the third expression, and that is the important expression. Here, this is why this problem is a star problem. I will write this as sin square x का cube. Can I say so? Plus cos square x का cube,
okay
which is nothing but as good as saying a cube plus b cube. Huh? And I'll use this formula there. तो क्या बन जाएगा? बताओ. So this is sin x raised to 6 plus cos x raised to 6 is basically sin square x का cube plus cos square x का cube. Now that is a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b bracket cube. A plus b मतलब sin square x plus cos square x का cube minus 3ab. बोलो.
minus 3
ab. What is a?
sin
Huh? Sin square
sin
x.
square
बोलो.
x
b
cos square x
into a plus b.
sin square x plus cos square x
Okay. Sin square x plus. Now this sin square x plus cos square x is 1, and 1 का cube is 1,
okay
and this is also 1.
1
So this is basically 1 minus 3
minus 3 sin square x
sin square x into cos square x. Equation 3. Right? Now I will substitute from equation 1, 2 and 3 in LHS. Okay? So substituting 1, 2 and 3 in LHS we get what is LHS is equal to. Direct substitution करके बता दो. 3 into something something. Now this something something is this actually. What is that? 1 minus 4 sin x cos x. Okay? Plus 4 sin square x cos square x. 4 sin square x cos square x. Agree?
Yes.
Plus 6 into this. 1 plus 2 sin x cos x.
Yes.
Plus 4 into
1 minus 3 sin square x
1 minus 3 sin square x
cos square x.
cos square x. Okay. Now that is equal to, let me simplify this further. Open the brackets. Write down like terms below each other. 3
3 12
minus 12 sin x cos x
12 plus 12
plus 12
sin square x
sin square x cos square x. Come on, answer.
yes plus sin
Plus 6
12 sin x cos x
plus 12 sin x cos x
plus 4
plus 4
minus 12 sin square x cos square x.
minus 12 sin square x cos square x. I have written like terms below each other. तो यहाँ पर
12 and 12
ये कैंसिल होगा, ये कैंसिल होगा. So what is the answer?
30
13, and that is equal to.
RHS.
Is this okay? Very clear. So why and for what part this is a star problem? It is for this part. ये वाला. You have to rearrange this properly. और इसको भी अच्छे से properly arrange करोगे तो you directly get the answer. If you try to expand this, I will make it raised to 4. Not possible. Okay? Take the screenshot, please. 18th question. Prove that tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 4 tan 4A plus 8 cot 8A is equal to cot A. I'll mark it as a star problem. Question को मैं थोड़ा सा modify करता हूँ. I'll modify the question a bit. कैसे? I will say कि ये सब कुछ मैं उस तरफ ट्रांसफर करूँगा. So I'll say that is to prove that क्या cot A minus tan A minus 2 tan 2A minus 4 tan 4A minus 8 cot 8A is equal to 0. And I will prove this thing. ये मुझे prove करना है. Now before I proceed, I will consider this expression. Consider what is cot theta minus tan theta. और इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. This is cos theta upon sin theta minus sin theta upon cos theta, right? ओके आगे बताओ. एलसीएम लेके चलो बताओ फटाफट आंसर.
cos square theta
हाँ
minus sin square theta
हाँ
upon sin theta cos theta.
वेरी गुड. आगे
So cos theta plus sin theta.
हाँ दिस इज वन फॉर्मूला.
Yes. Cos theta plus sin theta cos theta minus.
नो दिस इज अ रेडीमेड फॉर्मूला
Oh.
फॉर cos 2 theta.
Yeah.
And if I multiply it by 2 and 2, then this is something else. Sin 2 theta.
Sin theta.
So this is 2 cos 2 theta upon sin 2 theta. And therefore, cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Henceforth, we will remember this as a formula.
Okay.
Okay? We will remember this as formula. अब मैं LHS से शुरू करता हूँ. What is LHS? Cot A minus tan A minus 2 tan 2A minus 4 tan 4a minus 8 cot 8a minus 8 cot 8a. Is this okay? Now that is equal to. Do I know what is this formula? Here.
Yes.
So what is that equal to? 2 cot 2 theta. So this will become 2
2 cot 2 theta.
cot 2a
Right.
minus
2 tan.
2 tan 2a. Well, can I take 2 common? और ये बाकी का भी वैसे ही रहेगा, राइट?
Okay.
यहाँ से 2 कॉमन ले लो तो क्या मिलेगा? cot 2a
Cot 2a.
minus tan 2a
हाँ.
है minus 4 tan 4a minus 8 cot 8a. Now this is again a formula.
Yes.
If this is theta, तो इधर 2 थीटा होगा,
हाँ.
तो क्या बनेगा?
4
बोलो.
theta.
हाँ तो बोलो ना.
So it will be 4.
2 as it is.
Yes, 2 as it is.
ब्रैकेट के अंदर फॉर्मूला आएगा 2
2
times
times cot
cot
4
a.
a.
ओके, और बाकी तो एज इट इज रहेगा.
Yes.
माइनस बोलो.
Minus 4 tan 4a minus 8 cot 8a.
करेक्ट. आगे बोलो. Now you are one step away from the answer. Now this is 2 into 2 is 4. Can I take 4 common?
Yes.
ले लो. क्या बचेगा अंदर?
Cot 4a
Read. Tell me. बोलो.
minus tan 4a
Okay. Is
bracket
equal minus
minus
8 cot 8a. Now this is again a formula. This is theta, and I have to have the 2 theta.
2
So this 4 as it is.
2 cot
2
8a
cot 8a. बोलो आगे.
minus 8 cot 8a.
Minus 8 cot 8a.
8 common.
काय को 8 कॉमन दो. 4 to the 8 cot 8a minus 8 cot
Minus
8a
8 cot 8a.
is equal to 0,
0. हाँ, sorry.
and that is equal to RHS. Hence proved.
हाँ.
That's it. Is this okay?
Hmm.
So henceforth we will remember this as a standard formula. You will add this formula in your formula list. Cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Okay? Question number 19. If a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2, then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Now check here. When a plus b plus c is 3 pi by 2, what will be a plus b is equal to 3 pi by 2 minus c.
Yes.
Agree?
Yes.
Alright. And what will be cos of a plus b is cos of 3 pi by 2 minus c. 3 pi by 2 मतलब इधर होता है ना.
हाँ.
So 3 pi by 2 minus c मतलब third quadrant. All silver T, tan positive.
Hmm.
बोलो हुन.
Uh,
So cos is
cos negative
minus
sin
sin
c.
c. So cos of a plus b is equal to sin c.
Okay.
ये हमको यूज करना है. Well, I'll start with the LHS. यहाँ से मैं शुरू करता हूँ. LHS is equal to this. मुझे RHS प्रूव करना है. Cos 2a. Now I will club these two together. I will call this as cos c plus cos d. So cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2
Sin cos sin c.
cos c minus d by 2 cos c plus cos d. Apply. Tell me. Apply. Tell me.
So 2
2 cos c plus d. 2a plus 2b
A
by
plus
2.
B.
A plus b. Into cos
a minus
a minus b
plus cos 2c.
plus cos 2c. Any doubts about this? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I know that cos of a plus b is equal to minus sin c.
Okay.
So this will become minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b. Well, at the same time, cos 2 theta has 4 formulas. पहला, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा. Tell me third formula. 1 minus 2 sine square c. You see?
Yes.
I'll use this formula of cos 2 theta
Okay.
here. So this will become
1.
1 minus 2 sine square c. You see?
हाँ.
ये 1 जो कि मुझे चाहिए वो मिल गया, और इन दोनों से मैं माइनस 2 सी साइन सी कॉमन ले लूंगा. सो दिस 1 विल बी एज इट इज. माइनस 2 साइन सी इज टेकन कॉमन from both these terms. So what remains inside is cos of a minus b
Plus
plus
1
sin c.
sin c.
1 is already
Yeah,
in
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Now I know that cos of a plus b is minus sin c. So what is sin c is equal to minus cos of a plus b. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this okay?
हाँ.
And this is cos of a minus b as it is, and this is also as it is, 1 minus 2 sin c. Okay?
Yes.
Now there is a formula for cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. There is a formula. This is a direct formula. Cos of a minus b, fourth formula in the list. Let me tell you the formula for sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. एक formula है 2 sin a cos b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b.
2
The
cos
formula
a
is
sin
2 cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. The formula is 2 cos a cos b. And cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. The formula is 2 sin a sin b.
हाँ.
If I write the same formula, cos of a minus b, a plus b minus cos of a minus b, the formula is minus 2 sin a sin b. But if I reverse the order here, तो ये plus हो जाता है. And it is the same formula here.
Yes.
So what is this formula? This is 2
2 sin a sin b.
sin a sin b. And rest of the things are as they are. That is 1 minus 2 times sin c. So the final answer is 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c, and that is equal to
RHS.
Is this okay?
हाँ.
Any doubts about this?
No.
Is this clear?
हाँ.
In triangle ABC, if sin a minus cos b is equal to cos c, then prove that angle B is pi by 2. Well, first I'll transfer this on the other side. क्या बनेगा? बोलो.
Sin a.
बोलो. Speak out.
Sin a equal to cos c minus cos b.
Cos c plus cos b.
No, sorry.
मतलब cos b plus cos c. Cos c plus cos b.
Yes.
Now I'll use the formula cos c plus cos d. Speak out the formula.
Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2.
Apply. And tell me again. 2 sin a
C
2
plus b by 2
cos.
cos c plus b.
बोलो.
C plus b by 2
Into
cos
cos.
c minus b by 2.
Okay. बराबर है क्या? c minus b और ऐसे b minus c by 2. ऐसे है b minus c. ठीक है? b plus c and b minus c. Now I'll use the half angle formula here. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Correct? And this is 2 cos of b plus c by 2 into cos of b minus c by 2. Now tell me, when I say ABC is a triangle, so a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So b plus c is equal to pi minus a
Yes.
by 2 by 2 by 2, right? And I want cos. So take its cos. So cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta, you know, is sin theta. मतलब ये दोनों सेम है. अगर ये दोनों सेम है तो इनको कैंसिल कर दो. Agree? 2 cancel. So cos of a by 2 is equal to cos of B minus C by D. Take cos inverse on both the sides. Cos चला जाएगा. A by 2 is equal to B minus C by 2 by 2 गया. So what equation you get there? A is equal to B minus C. A is equal to B minus C. But we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, I will substitute for A here. क्या मिलेगा?
So
B minus C plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So C and minus C cancel. 2B is equal to 180 and therefore B is equal to 90 degree pi by 2 radian. Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay. I think this was easy. Question number 21. Tan cube x upon 1 plus tan square x plus cot cube x upon 1 plus cot square x is equal to sec x cosec x minus 2 sin x cos x. We have to prove this. I'll start with the LHS. So first of all, what is 1 plus tan square theta? Sec square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta? Cosec square theta. Okay? अब ये tan cube x जो है उसे मैं लिखूंगा, देखो ये रहा न्यूमरेटर में tan cube x को मैं लिखूंगा sin cube x upon cos cube x and sec square x which is there in the denominator I'll write it as 1 upon cos square x, है ना? Tell me here.
No.
Yeah, it will get plus. अभी इधर तुम बताओ वैसे ही.
Cos cube x upon sin cube x upon 1 upon sin
1 upon sin square x. इसमें से cos square जाएगा, cos square जाएगा, cos बचेगा. sin square जाएगा, sin square जाएगा और sin बचेगा. So what remains there is sin cube x upon cos x plus cos cube x upon sin x. Take LCM please.
sin raised to 4
Sin x raised to 4 plus
cos
cos x raised to 4 upon sin x cos x. You see? Now that is nothing but sin square x ka square.
sin square x का square
Sin square x ka square
plus cos square x का square
plus cos square x का square
upon sin x cos x.
upon sin x cos x. बोलो आगे क्या करेंगे आगे? Now if I say this is a square and b square
A square
plus b square is equal to a plus b bracket square minus 2ab. Can I say so?
Yes.
What is a here?
A sin square
And b is cos square x. So a plus b. क्या है?
sin square x plus
हाँ.
cos square x
Sin square x plus cos square x का square minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Any doubts? Denominator में क्या आएगा?
sin x cos x
Sin x cos x.
1
Now this is 1 का square is 1. 1 का square is 1. तो क्या आएगा? 1 upon 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x.
upon sin x cos x.
Now upon sin x cos x जो ऐसा है, can I separate this?
Yes.
Upon sin x cos x upon sin x cos x. Can I do that?
Yes.
Of course. I think we are there. Are we?
Yes.
इसमें से एक sin x गया और एक cos x गया. So 1 upon sin
Sec.
and 1 upon cos. That is nothing but sec x cosec x minus 2 times sin x cos x. And that is equal to? Is this clear? Easy? Yeah. Take the screenshot please.